Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be just showing you guys how I create a paste for my face, and the paste that I'm going to be creating is going to be baking soda, lemon, and lukewarm water. I've also been using the Kyrgyzstan soap to just, sorry guys, my cat is so clingy. No! What I'm going to be doing, guys, is showing you guys how I mix my paste together and showing you the results that I get. So guys, stay tuned, and I'm going to show, Luna, no! So I'm going to be showing you how I do the paste. So guys, we're now in the kitchen. I'm going to be showing you the products that I'm going to be using. As you can see, I have a see-through bowl, baking soda, and lemon. These two are the main components of today. And the last component that we're going to be using to finish it off is the Kyrgyzstan soap. This helps with blemishes, dark spots, any pigmentation that you don't like on your skin. I've been using this for about a couple of days now. So I'm literally just waiting to see what the results are. If you want to know if you've got the real Kyrgyzstan, if you've got this sticker, I think this pretty much tells you if it's the original one. Now guys, I also want to show you something really cute. My teapot collection. How cute. Right, anyway. So what I'm going to start off by doing is cutting this lemon. I normally cut a little bit, guys. The cost of living is high. We're not going to overdo it. This goes back in the fridge. And I normally will lather this onto my face itself. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze it into the bowl. I think I actually need a bit more. Oh guys, my lemon's actually dried up. I've had to use the bigger one now, yeah. Right, that's enough. We don't want to over process the skin because lemon's quite strong. Then we're going to go for the baking soda. Guys, I also use baking soda in my cat litter. This diffuses the smell of, you know, cat urine, and when they're doing number 2 as well. That's just a tip for you guys if you need it. And then just a little bit of baking soda. It's starting to fizz. Now, you don't need too much of this. I'm always over the top, guys. You don't have to follow me. If you have sensitive skin, be very, very careful. Then you just want to mix it together until it's like a paste. Sorry for that pause, guys. My phone just said low battery. So now that we have the paste, I'm going to apply it onto my face with my fingers, and then I will show you the before and after results. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get my face a bit moist so it's ready to just absorb the product. Now, this is the product. This is going to be removing dead skin, sun damage, and a lot more other things. Because I don't ever seem to wear sun protection when I go on holiday or away, and that's something I need to start adapting. If you don't want to finish all the paste, just put it in the fridge, simply. Say hello to Luna, guys. You do have sensitive skin, be careful. Be careful. I'm not going to leave it on for too long because the stinging, it don't hurt, I'm not going to lie. Actually, wipe it off, because what it is, you don't want to leave it on for too long. Then it sort of like burns your face. Do you get what I mean? Good. So guys, we're gonna add the conditioner now, and we'll see what difference it makes. So I'll leave the conditioner for now and apply that tomorrow. But yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.